Hello everyone, here I am with part 2 of chapter 2 of Geography, Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. Hope you understood previous video where we have discussed about latitude. In this video we will be discuss about longitudes. So here's the first slide, it's about longitude. Number 1, longitudes are imaginary lines which runs from North Pole to South Pole. These are called meridian or longitude. Next, as we have equator for the reference line for locating place northern and southern hemisphere, for longitude also it was decided that meridian passing through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich should be called prime meridian. तो लॉन्गिट्यूड के लिए ये डिसाइड किया गया कि जो लॉन्गिट्यूड और मेरिडियन ब्रिटिश रॉयल ऑब्जर्वेटरी के पास से निकल रही हैं, that will be called as prime meridian, because British Royal Observatory is situated at Greenwich. Where it is situated? It is situated at Greenwich. That's why it is also called as Greenwich meridian. The distance between meridian is measured in degree, and each degree is further divided into minutes and minutes into seconds. Each meridian is a semicircle in itself. The distance between meridian decreases steadily as they approach poles. Hence, we can say that all meridians meet at the pole and all meridians are equal in length. The value of prime meridian is 0 degree. In total, there are 360 longitudes, and out of that, 180 are on east of prime meridian and 180 are on west of prime meridian. The prime meridian and 180 degree meridian divides the earth into two equal halves, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. And the meridian east of prime meridian are indicated by the letter E, and those meridians on the west are indicated by the letter W. Fine. So it's all about the important facts of the longitude. Next is the diagram of longitude. See, there is a line in between that we call it prime meridian, and it divides our globe into two equal halves, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. If you will see the distance between every longitude, it will be decreased at the pole. Hence, we can say that they are all meeting at the pole. If we'll talk about the degree is always is 0 degree. Fine. So this is the diagram of longitudes at the glance. Next is longitudes and times. So we know that time taken for one rotation of Earth is 24 hours. ठीक है, अर्थ रोटेट करने में पूरा रोटेशन में अर्थ लेती है 1 day, that is 24 hours. Total degree covered in one rotation is 360 degrees. Because completing one rotation makes a circle, and there is a circle of 360 degree. So you can say there are 360 degrees in one circle, and also there are 360 longitudes present equidistant at 1 degree each. Therefore, we can conclude that Earth covers 360 degrees in 24 hours, that is 1 day. Now come to distance covered. Distance covered in 24 hours कितना degree हुआ? 360 degree. And distance covered in 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, that will be 15 degree. From this we can understand that for Earth to cover 15 degrees of distance, time taken 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. And for Earth to cover 1 degree of distance, time taken, this time will be 4 minutes. So conclusion, we can conclude that for Earth to move one longitude to other longitude, or can say 1 degree, it will take 4 minutes. Fine. So this slide was about longitude and time. Come to next one, local time. तो हर longitude का अपना एक local time होता है. When the sun shines at the highest peak, that is at the midday or 12 noon. Let me start with the first point again, that is the places situated on same longitude will have same local time, and the local time of a place can be calculated by the height of the sun. Fine. Or can say by the shadow cast by the sun. So when the sun shines at highest point in the sky, it is considered midday. That is 12 noon. We'll take the example that midday, that is 12 noon at 11 degree west. So meridian will be 4 minutes later than midday. That is 12 p.m. Fine. At 10 degree west meridian. Another example हम लेके चलें तो when the prime meridian has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along this meridian will have midday, and that is all the places on a given meridian of latitude have the same local time. Fine. So thus local time of every different longitude, local time of every different longitude will be different, obviously. So to make it more simpler, consider the local time of Gujarat, which may lag 1 hour 45 minutes to the local time of Assam. Let me explain it again. That is, जब सन अपने हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर होगा आसाम में, तो उसके 1 घंटा 45 मिनट्स बाद वो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे होता है गुजरात पे. तो मतलब आसाम और गुजरात में सनसेट और सनराइज का 1 hour 45 मिनट्स का फर्क रहता है. ठीक है. If the country will be having different time zones, so there will be a confusion or there will be a problem also for measuring time. So in order to avoid this confusion, we have adopted the local time of the central meridian of the country as its standard time. Okay? The standard time that prevails over the meridian would be standard time throughout the country. I'm telling you about the standard time. Let me discuss about the standard time in next slide. That is standard time. See, it was required to solve the problem of different local times at different places within the same country. Standard time को हम क्यों adopt किया? For solution basically. So to solve this standard time was to solve this kind of problem, we introduced standard time. So it was decided that meridian or longitude which will pass through the middle of the country will be considered as the standard meridian. I'm repeating that to solve the standard time, to solve the confusion, to solve the problem of different local times, we introduced standard time. Fine. And it was decided that meridian or longitude which will pass through the middle of the country will be considered as standard meridian. Fine. तो पूरी कंट्री में उसी मेरिडियन का टाइम फॉलो किया जाएगा. That we have written also that local time of standard meridian is considered the standard time of the country. Now standard time of India is 82.5 degree east, running close to Naini. Naini, that is in Allahabad. So we consider its time as the standard time of whole India. That is called Indian Standard Time, that we call IST. Now come to GMT term, that is GMT is considered as standard time for world. Okay, if we talk about the time of world, for that we will use the term that is GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Fine. And difference between IST and GMT is 5.5 hours. As India's standard meridian is in east to Greenwich, we are having 5.5 hours ahead of GMT. So इसको हम in a simpler way we'll understand that we are 5.5 hours ahead of GMT. हम 5.5 hours उनसे पहले चल रहे हैं ईस्टर्न साइड में. We are situated in India is situated in the eastern side, so we are having sunrise first, as we can say that हम जो है 5.5 hours उनसे पहले चलते हैं. Fine. Now come to next one, that is time zones. हमारा पूरा वर्ल्ड जो है वो डिवाइडेड है 24 टाइम जोन्स में of each of 1 hour each. So India, being a smaller country, has only one time zone of IST, and many big other countries can't work with the one time zone because the difference in the time is more between places in the same country. बहुत सारी कंट्रीज में different time zones है क्योंकि वो अपने आप में बहुत बड़ी कंट्रीज हैं and they cannot work with a one time zone. Can take the example of Russia, that which is spread over eastern and western longitude, has 11 time zones, and USA is also, it has 4 time zones. Fine. Next one is locating a place on the globe. In this slide I will tell you how to locate any place on the globe. See, latitudes and longitudes, they are intersecting each other. When they are intersecting each other, they together forms a grid on the globe. And with the help of this grid, we can identify exact location on the earth. As we have identified our India, that is located between 8 degree 37 north and 68 degree 97 east. This is the location of our India on the globe. This shows it is located in the northern hemisphere, that we all know, and east side में देखिए तो east of prime meridian के east में और northern hemisphere पे हमारा India locate करता है. And this is about the degree of location. In next slide we will learn how to read latitude and longitude, and we'll try to identify the country at 45 degree north and 105 degree east. Fine. So here is the next slide. You can count the degree. We will start from the equator. In the northern hemisphere, 0, 15, 23, 30 degree, then 45 degree north. This is the degree of latitudes. Fine. Now let me find the degree on the longitude. 0, 15, 30 degree, and 45, then 60, then 75, then 90, then it's a 105. So these are the degree, and this 45 degree north and 105 degree east is the place. It shows the place is the country named Mongolia. If you will see the intersecting of the grid, we can find the place and the country name is Mongolia. So in the same way, we can find any country while using the degree. Fine. So while using this degree, you can identify, you can locate, or you can say you can find any country on the globe. So students, this is the chapter. I'm completing this chapter. So this was the chapter. Here I'm completing this chapter with longitudes and its important facts, time zone, standard time, local time and local time and time zones. Hope you understand this chapter. And in next assignment, I will share some question answers regarding this chapter. Till then, please go through this video carefully and understand this chapter. And thank you. Have a nice day.